truly historic day for our community. It is our great honor and privilege to warmly welcome our distinguished guests, especially as we celebrate the 50th anniversary of our beloved school.
We have with us the global leadership of AGBU, the many community leaders who have supported us, our board of trustees, the central board of AGBU, our former board members. It matters because it is with AGBU's support and those that have helped us for many years that we have built this school for the last 50 years.
Հարի հսկաները բոլորն ալ ցեզի պես աշակերտներ եղած են եւ այսօր մենք ցեր աչքերուն մեջ կտեսնենք ապակա բողոսնուվարներ, Գալուստ Գյուլբենկյաններ, Ալեք Մանուկյաններ, որովհետև կհավատանք, որ հայ ժողովուրդը անմահ է, հոպենտմենը անմահ, մենք բոլորս անմահ ենք, երբ ունենք նոր սերունդ։
I would like our family to please look out at our students. And when we look out at you, we see our past. And I want you to look at them and I want you to see your future.
Just think about the capability that you are having the opportunity at the press of your finger or at the command of your voice. I want to see someone from Demircan Manoogian as the next city council member. All right, so one of you guys is going to have to step up to that.
Armenians as refugees and immigrants preserved their identity largely through Armenian schools. Wherever they settled, establishing a school was often a top priority. In this environment, the Demircan Manoogian School stands out as a true jewel among diaspora schools. Its student population continues to grow, the quality of education is excellent, and with the addition of new technology center and a planned AI curriculum, it is poised to become even stronger in preparing the next generation.
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world better. And thanks to Manoogian Demircan School, we are not only strengthening this innovative education, preserving the Armenian language, culture, identity, but also expanded it successfully.
Congratulations to the entire Demircan Manoogian community, past and present, for building such an outstanding institution. May the school continue to grow, inspire future generations, and remain a proud pillar of Armenian education for many years to come.
Thank you for building this legacy. Thank you for preparing students for success in life. Thank you for creating the next generation of Armenian leaders for a better future.
So ladies and gentlemen, I want you to look here at these people who have given everything of themselves, and they are the wind beneath our wings. Let's give them a big hand, please.
Bardem Tezmov, Շարունակեցեք ձեր լավ աշխատանքները. In unity is strength.
Գեցե հայկական բարեգործական ընդհանուր միությունը, գեցե հայ ժողովուրդը, գեցե մեր սիրելի Հայաստան հայրենիքը.
And for our students, I wish you great success. I know you will be exemplary Armenians, you will be exemplary US citizens, and I want you to remember that we all love you very much.